new manner of technological warfare, thousands of pagers exploded across Lebanon on September 17, killing 9 people and injuring nearly 3,000 members of the Lebanese armed group Hezbollah. These also included fighters and medics. A senior Lebanese security source and another source told Reuters that Israel's Mossad spy agency planted a small amount of explosive inside 5,000 Taiwan-made pagers ordered by Hezbollah months ago. But what is a pager? And how did Israel manage to install explosives in these pagers? Let's find out. I am Shivangi and you're watching India TV. So first, let's understand that what is a pager. Well, a pager or beeper is a compact battery-operated device designed to alert users with sound or vibration when it receives a signal. It can display numeric messages or, in more advanced models, alphanumeric text. Pagers were widely popular from the late 1980s to the 1990s, especially in industries like healthcare and emergency services, where reliability is paramount. However, the advent of affordable cell phones in the 2000s led most users to switch to cellular communication due to their superior functionality and battery life. Pagers are particularly useful during emergencies when cellular networks may fail. They cut through everyday distractions, ensuring that important messages reach their intended recipients without interference. And that's not all. Pagers offer significant privacy advantages as well. They lack GPS and Bluetooth, appealing to users wanting to stay off the grid. Moreover, they help avoid robocalls as only select contacts have pager numbers. This makes them cost-effective and ideal for secure environments, including high-security government settings. So why are Hezbollah fighters still using pagers? Well, for them, these low-technology devices serve as a strategic advantage. By using pagers, they aim to evade Israeli tracking, reducing the risk of interception during their operations. And how did Israel manage to plant explosives in pagers? Well, several sources told Reuters that the plot to install explosives in Taiwan-made pagers had been several months in making. The senior security said Hezbollah had ordered 5,000 beepers made by Taiwan-based Gold Apollo, which several sources say were brought into the country in the spring. The pagers such as AP925 receive messages but cannot make calls, shielding Hezbollah's communications from Israeli interception. A senior source revealed that the Mossad implanted explosive material inside the devices. The source further said that 3,000 of the pagers exploded when a coded message was sent to them, simultaneously activating the explosives. Well, this is being seen as a major counterintelligence failure for Hezbollah, which has said that Israel would receive its fair punishment for the blasts. What are your views on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.